Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload long videos on WhatsApp status. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to go into the status tab and click on my status. And then you need to select any video that is longer than 30 seconds. So this is the video. So let me select. So as you can see that this is a longer video that and here you can see that. So the first step, you need to select 30-second and paste that video. After that you need to select the next 30 seconds, and after that next 30 second, next 30 second, next 30 second. So this is a simple process by which you can select video and post that onto your WhatsApp status. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.